Hello guys, how's it going? Alex Grampion here. I hope you're well. Today I got Peugeot Partner 2018 and we have got P2202 so next Nox sensor issue, which is this one here. That's the old one already out. In case anyone needs a part number, there you go, that should help. So you need 22mm to undo that from your exhaust. There's only one sensor in this car, and obviously that's the one under the car, in the exhaust at the back, and that's the basically control unit for it. So just unplug it. You got 10mm holding it, and then you just plastic clips. Once you're done it, put a new one in. So this is the fault code I had. What you have to do is obviously make sure the ignition is on. Ignition is on. Once you install the new one, that's not enough. You need to go into engine ECU, special functions, and then it should come up with the replacement parts. As you can see there, I'm using the Topdon here. If you want the link for this tool, do let me know. I got some good deals for this tool and it works quite well with the French stuff. So we're working on emissions control circuit and replacement of the Nox sensor. So just go on that, obviously make sure the ignition is on. So it's doing the process there. Switch off the ignition, wait 30 seconds. So okay, so there you go, count down 30 seconds. I do apologize guys, this is not like an intense video where I show you how to undo stuff. This is just me doing the job, and I thought it's a really common issue, not the first one I've done, and I just wanted to share with you this video to show you what you need to do, and that it is important to plug in diagnostic tool to it to reset and program the new sensor basically. So once it does the procedure, it's going to ask us to turn the ignition back on. Ignition back on. Yep. Okay. Reinitialization successful. And that's it. So basically all we have to do now is go back into it, read fault codes. Obviously we're going to clear them. There you go, no more fault codes, and now you should be able to start the car up and you should have no engine light anymore, and that fault should be fixed. I've just started the car up and the engine light is off. It's all good, no more faults. Perfect. There you go guys, as easy as that. It's not too bad of a job as long as the sensor's not seized up in there. And again, obviously for this one 2018, that's the part number if you need it. I've put the aftermarket one. They work really well. They're about £300, 300 something, sorry, plus VAT. But yeah, not cheap, but it fixes the problem, and that's what you need to do. So that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment below. Have a good day. Bye.